Is your air conditioner not cooling properly? You might be grappling with common AC challenges. Fear not, we have your back with effective remedies. Initially, inspect your air filter. Accumulated debris can impede airflow and compromise overall efficiency. Regular replacement ensures a clean air environment and flawless AC performance. Watch out for signs of refrigerant leaks such as diminished cooling and frost accumulation. We urge you to reach out to us at the earliest for proficient repair to avert exacerbating damage. Thermostat anomalies might result in temperature fluctuations. Get acquainted with our troubleshooting guide or connect with us for specialized assistance. Clogged condensate drains may trigger water leakages. Regular cleansing helps avert clogging and potential water-related damage. Electrical hiccups like defective wiring or capacitor complications can interfere with your AC's functioning. We recommend periodic inspections to identify and address these issues early. If your thermostat is acting up, it could lead to temperature inconsistencies. Learn how to troubleshoot or reach out to us for expert help. Blocked condensate drains can cause water leaks. Regular cleaning prevents clogs and potential water damage. Electrical issues like faulty wiring or capacitor problems can disrupt your AC. Schedule regular inspections to catch and fix these problems early. Looking for professional AC installation or servicing? Our team at HVAC Master Technologies has you covered. For AC installation, servicing, maintenance and repairs, reach us at 0530122467 or send us a message on WhatsApp. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and updates.